We want to solve for x. In other words, we want to find the values of x that make this fairly complicated looking expression hold true. First, let's look at some necessary conditions. There are some values of x that we can't have. For example, here we can't have x equal to 2. Here we can't have x equal to 0. This denominator is just x times x minus 2, so it's covered by the previous two. As a first step, let's factorise the denominator in the second term. What we can do now is to combine the two terms on the left-hand side over a common denominator by multiplying the first term by x on x. There we have the common denominator. Now we can join them. Of course, we should have our implications arrows here. For our next step, let's multiply both sides by the denominator on the left-hand side, x times x minus 2. We see the former denominator on the left-hand side now on the right-hand side in red. We can cancel the x's on the right-hand side and expand both sides. Now we can subtract 2x and add 4 to both sides. We can simplify to get x squared minus 4 equals 0. This implies that x squared is equal to 4, and so x is equal to plus or minus 2. But as we saw before, we can't have x equal to 2. So our solution then is that x equals minus 2.